The era of artificial intelligence living exclusively inside computer servers is officially over. In the past 72 hours, the two biggest technology companies on the planet have completely rewritten the timeline for Physical AGI. Meta has officially acquired the San Diego-based robotics startup Assured Robot Intelligence, ARI. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has confirmed that Tesla is aggressively retooling its Fremont factory to begin production of the Optimus humanoid robot this July, with massive scale-up plans by 2027. Welcome to EdgeVerse Intelligence. Today, we are breaking down the definitive transition from digital AI software to autonomous physical hardware. Let's start with the massive move from Meta. On May 1st, 2026, Meta quietly finalized the acquisition of ARI. ARI isn't just building mechanical limbs, they are developing foundational models designed to allow humanoid robots to understand, predict, and adapt to complex human behavior in real-world environments. By bringing ARI's co-founders and team into Meta's Superintelligence Lab, the endgame is becoming clear. Meta does not just want to build a single robot, they want to become the android of robotics. They aim to build the foundational AI operating system that powers machines across the entire industry. Crucially, ARI brings a technology called eFlesh, a tactile sensing system that allows robots to react to physical stimuli. This tackles one of the hardest problems in robotics, bridging the gap between simulation training and real-world physics. But while Meta focuses on the universal brain, Tesla is moving aggressively on the physical manufacturing. During a recent earnings call, Elon Musk gave the most concrete timeline we have ever seen for Optimus. Tesla is actively dismantling production lines at their Fremont factory to reinstall new lines strictly dedicated to humanoid robots.
They aim to start initial production in late July or August of this year. While early output will be limited as they navigate the unpredictability of scaling a 10,000 component machine, Tesla's long game is massive. By the summer of 2027, they plan to shift major production to a new facility at Giga Texas. This is where artificial intelligence meets hyperscale manufacturing. So why does this matter for the future of algorithmic warfare and global defense? Because the exact same technologies, tactile sensing, autonomous navigation in messy environments, and whole body control without human teleoperation, are exactly what militaries require for autonomous ground vehicles and frontline robotics. The billions of dollars Meta and Tesla are pouring into commercial physical AGI will inevitably become the foundation for next-generation defense systems. The physical AGI arms race is no longer a concept, it is an active production line. To stay ahead of the deep tech curve, make sure to hit subscribe to EdgeVerse Intelligence. Let me know in the comments who you think will win the physical AI war, Meta's software or Tesla's hardware. See you in the next breakdown.